recently when home isolation cases went up, it was becoming difficult to call each and everyone and track their status as frequently as we would have liked. Therefore, government took a decision to go for a technology-based system to regularly track and follow up with the patients who are under home isolation. As such, we have selected one agency by the name of Step 1.
What's the name, sir?
Step 1. The agency is already providing these services to 11 states. It is providing it on a charitable basis. The only cost to the government is the call charges that will be paid directly to BSNL. How they work is that for the first day of the patient who has turned positive and is under home isolation, calls will be made by our persons physically. There is no IVRS on the first day, so that the details are collected and entered into the portal. From the 2nd to the 10th day, an IVRS based call would go. We have taken care to ensure that not everyone would know English, and so the calls will be in 3 languages: English or Hindi or Konkani. The patient would be asked a set of 5 questions. Basically, there are 5 parameters, health parameters, to monitor his health vis-a-vis his COVID status, like blood saturation, oxygen wala, his temperature, whether there is any chest pain, whether there is any case of breathlessness, or cold, cough and fever more than cold and cough more than thrice over an interval of 24 hours. The answer to all these questions is going to be only in yes or no. The questions are framed in such a manner that the patient answers only in yes or no. I mean, 1 for yes and 2 for no. If the answer to these 5 questions, any 2 of them is yes, the patient gets red flagged, his details get relayed to our team of doctors that is there on the back end, so that the patient can be followed up and advised to immediately seek consultation on a personal basis through either his family physician or through our hospital setup. The idea is to get the patients who are deteriorating not to deteriorate further, so that to get them early to the hospital. We will be launching this service on Saturday. They have taken a week to develop this module because we wanted it to be in Konkani also. And tomorrow there is a dry run. On Saturday this service gets launched. So I would request all people who will go under home isolation or who are under home isolation, I hope they have given their correct mobile number. Because if you don't give your correct mobile number, you are not going to be tracked. The system needs your correct mobile number at least to be tracking you, and I would request them to respond to these calls in as diligent a manner as possible. So they should keep with them their temperature figure, their blood saturation, oxygen saturation figure handy with them, so that they can answer this call with a simple yes or no. So that's it, Abhi, from my side. We'll first listen one by one to they will take your queries, the nodal officers for the private hospitals, in case you have. Desai, would you first like to brief?
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत.
बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो, त्याचबरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात, शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.